Welcome to The Bridge, a free learning tool that lets you create a Greek or Latin vocabulary list with just the words you need. This tutorial will show you how to create a simple list for a selection of a text. I'll demonstrate the process with a Latin text, but everything you see also works for Greek. Let's begin. Begin by selecting your language. Here, you see the Work Selection field, where you can select your vocabulary list, text, or textbook. You can click on the field and then scroll to explore works. But you can also click in the field and begin typing, progressively honing in on your work. After you've selected your work, click Add Work. You can't create your list until you've clicked Add Work. Once you've added your work, it will appear below, along with additional fields that allow you to select a part of your work. Right now, we'd create a list for all the vocabulary in the entirety of Caesar's Gallic Wars. Today, let's be a tad less ambitious and say that we're going to read the first 4 sentences of Caesar. You'll see the input fields prompt you with the notation for each individual work. Caesar allows you to select whole books, or chapters, or sentences. Now, click Create. The bridge creates the list and then shows you your list. Caesar has definitions that are specifically designed for this text, but you might want to select a simpler definition, a kind of general definition, full, or hone in on a basic definition. You can hide or reveal the filter pane, and in this pane, you can add additional information, filter your list by morphology, print, and export. You can find out more information about these features in other tutorials. Well, here's your list. You're all set. Happy reading.